Hello everyone, welcome back to Stock Market Meridian. Today is 1st July 2026 and you're watching today's pre-market report. Let's begin our video with global markets. Starting with the US markets, all major indices opened with gap up and also closed with strong positive momentum. Overall sentiment in US markets remained bullish. Coming to the European markets, a similar trend was seen there as well. Major indices opened with gap up and closed in positive territory. Now looking at the Asian markets, yesterday Japan indices closed in 0.8% higher and today opened with strong 1.4% gap up. China markets are also closed with nearly 1% gains. South Korea markets are also closed at around 1% positive and today opened with nearly 1.5% gap up. We will discuss about GIFT Nifty at the end of this video. Now let's move to commodities section. US WTI crude oil is currently trading at around $69 to $71 per barrel, while Brent crude oil is trading nearly $72 to $73 per barrel. In Indian commodity markets, crude oil futures closed with nearly 1.6% losses, while natural gas futures closed with around 3% gains. In precious metal segment, Indian gold futures closed with slight positive bias, while international gold futures are trading nearly 0.5% lower. Indian silver futures are also closed with positive 2.6% gains, while international silver futures are trading at nearly 1.6% lower. Now let's check ADR's data. Yesterday, on the negative side, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Reliance, Infosys and Dr. Reddy's ADRs are closed weak. And on positive side, only Wipro ADR managed to close higher. Now moving to FIIs and DIIs data. Yesterday, FIIs returned to aggressive selling and recorded net selling of 2,556 crores. Meanwhile, DIIs continued strong buying with net buying of 6,842 crores. Looking at markets positioning, FIIs are strong bearish on index futures and moderately bearish on other segments. DIIs are strong bullish on stocks, strong bearish in stock futures, and also neutral in index futures, index options. And retail participation remain strong bullish on index futures, stock futures, while neutral in index options. Now let's check economic calendar. Yesterday, China manufacturing PMI for June month came positive. UK GDP data for quarter-on-quarter came in line with market expectation, while year-on-year remained unchanged. German CPI data for June month came negatively. From US side, jobs opening data for May month positive, but consumer confidence for June month came weaker than expectation. Now looking at today's key data releases. From India, we have manufacturing PMI data for June month. From Europe, CPI data will be important. From US, we have non-farm employment change, manufacturing PMI, and also crude oil inventory data. And tomorrow will be even more important because the US will release major data including non-farm payroll, unemployment rate, average hourly earning, and initial jobless claims data. Before moving further, a quick reminder. I upload pre-market videos every morning before market opens and post-market videos every evening after market close. So, if you don't want to miss any important updates related to markets, make sure you stay connected with Stock Market Meridian. And also, please subscribe to the channel. Now let's move to the geopolitical updates. Currently, there are no fresh updates regarding the US and Iran talks. As you know, the meeting scheduled in Qatar was cancelled yesterday, and since then there has not been any official progress. But one important positive update is from Strait of Hormuz. Ship movement has increased sharply. Yesterday, only around 5 to 6 ships passed through this route, but in last 24 hours, nearly 42 ships have passed, including 23 inbound and 19 outbound. This indicates improving ships momentum in Strait of Hormuz again. Now let's move to the company's specific updates. Also, quarterly results season has started, but actual results will be declared from 9th July onwards with tech companies' results. First update is from Prestige Group. Prestige has launched Phase 2 of Prestige Forest Hills, part of its massive 32 acres integrated township called Prestige City in West Mumbai. This phase includes part of Tower C and the entire Tower D. The project covers around 1.7 million square feet of developed area with an estimated gross development value of approximately 2,200 crore rupees. This space has added around 500 premium residential units, mainly spacious 3 and 4 BHK apartments with large decks. The apartment size range from 946 square feet to 2643 square feet and price started from around 4 crore 73 lakh rupees. It's exactly located nearly Yogi Hills and the project offers excellent forest view along with strong city connectivity. Another important update related to the real estate sector is Mumbai property registration touched a 14 years high in June month at around 13,300 units. This clearly shows strong momentum in real estate sector. Next update is from electric vehicle sector. Electric two-wheeler registrations in India jumped nearly 62.5% year on year to 181,000 units. TVS Motors retained the number one position with 44,467 registrations. This was up with 65.2% year on year growth, holding 24.5% market share. Bajaj Auto came close with 40,576 registration, showing a strong 69% growth and now holds 22.4% market share. Ather Energy had an impressive month with registration rising 79.5% to 29,422 units, increasing market share to 16.2%. And Hero also saw massive growth, reaching 20,198 registration and capturing 11.2% market share. But on other side, Ola Electric continued to struggle. Ola's registrations fell nearly 27.1% year on year to 15,096 units and market share dropped sharply to just 8.3% compared to 18.6% last year. Clearly, traditional players like TVS and Bajaj, along with Ather and Hero, are rapidly gaining market share. Also, after the recent Delhi government EV policy approval, Ola Electric share and Ather Energy shares jumped nearly more than 11% recently. Next update is from Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak has signed a business transfer agreement to acquire Dutch banks, retail banking, private banking, and wealth management businesses in India. This acquisition adds a strong asset base to Kotak, including 29,000 crores in loans, 16,000 crores in deposits, and 10,500 crores in assets under management. And the deal also brings nearly 1.5 lakh customers and around 1,000 Dutch banks employees into Kotak ecosystem. Kotak is acquiring this business for around 281 crore rupees and that was fully through cash. This acquisition strengthens Kotak's position in affluent banking and SME segments. And this transaction is expected to be completed by September 2027. Next update is from Zydus Wellness. Zydus Wellness has established a new international subsidiary in Dubai, UAE, to expand global business operations. The new subsidiary is named Zydus Wellness General Trading DWC LLC. This company will focus on high growth sectors like food and nutrition, vitamins, minerals, health supplements, nutraceuticals, and personal care products. This expansion is aimed at strengthening Zydus Wellness international business presence. Next update is from NCC. NCC has secured a new order worth 534 crore rupees. The project belongs to the company's transformation division and also management clarified these are regular business orders and not related party transaction. Importantly, this order value is at around 5.6% of company's market capitalization, making it a meaningful order win. Next update is from Aarti Pharma. The company has inaugurated a new manufacturing block at its Tarapur Unit 5 facility in Maharashtra. This new facility adds 3,600 tons per annum production capacity for xanthan derivatives. With this expansion, total production capacity rises to 9,600 tons per annum. This officially makes Aarti Pharma one of the top three manufacturers for xanthan derivatives globally. The company has already started trial production and plans gradually ramp up over the next few quarters. Next update is from NTPC. NTPC's joint venture NSPCL has commissioned the final 5 megawatt module of Bhilai floated solar power station. With this, the full 15 megawatt solar project is now commercially operational. Following this commissioning, NTPC Group's installed capacity has increased to 90,904 megawatts. This further strengthens NTPC leadership in India's power sector. Next update is from NTPC Green Energy. This company's subsidiary, Ayana Renewable Power, has won a major clean energy auction. The company secured 193 megawatt wind power capacity in an auction conducted by MPPMCL, and the tariff has been fixed at 4 rupees 17 paisa per unit. This strengthens NTPC and ONGC's green energy expansion strategy. Next update is from BPCL. BPCL has secured 100 megawatt wind power capacity in same MPPMCL auction, and the tariff is fixed at 4 rupees 12 paisa per unit. This move supports BPCL long-term strategy of expanding into renewable energy and reducing dependency on fossil fuels. Next update is from Sterlite Technologies. Sterlite Technologies board has approved the successful closure of its QIP issue. The company has allotted 2 crores 57 lakh equity shares to qualified institutional buyers. The final issue price has been fixed at 583 rupees per share. This was offered at 5% discount to the floor price of 613 rupees 0.69 paisa per share. And the QIP officially closed on 30th June 2026, and the allocation process has now been completed. Final update is from CUPID Limited. Management has projected Q1 financial year 2027 revenue above 150 crores and upgraded financial year 2027 revenue guidance to 660 crores from earlier 600 crores. This is at around 10% upward revising in guidance. However, the stock has already rallied over 80% in last 6 months. So now the key question is, will this higher guidance will trigger another big rally or will be happen profit booking? That is something we need to watch closely. Finally, let's look at GIFT Nifty data. Yesterday, GIFT Nifty closed at 23,866 level with 0.3% loss. Today, opened with 160 points gap up at 24,034 level. So that's all for today's major updates. If you found this video useful, please do like, share and subscribe to Stock Market Meridian. Thanks for watching. Signing off. Bye bye. Jai Hind.